Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
The people every day used to call us. They said to us that you please help something because we don't have even a single rice in our home. So that's why you have to help us. It is not our duty to help the public because we work voluntarily. We are not paid by the government, but it is the duty of the government to do something with the poor people. We don't demand 100%, but something maybe 30%, 40% the government should do something with the public, the poor people, the poor, very poor people. Because this is the failure of the government. Under the leadership of Konrad Sangma and by President Tenzong as a deputy CM. On the 31st of this April, Konrad Sangma by himself said that there is no total lockdown in the state. But at the same day, at 11 o'clock, Konrad Sangma is notifying the lockdown. So this is a very sad thing for people because no one is prepared for the foods and all. So that's why we demand from the government to do something. If not 100%, only 30% also you are agree with the government. But since the government is staying silent on this, so we will not keep silent. The President, the Vice President, the working President. But we have so many members in our office, more than 50 members, but we have stopped them to come along with us. Because this is not the time to show power, muscle power to anyone. But we want the rights for the poor people. Only that.